Hello guys and welcome back. Today we have right here the new Volkswagen Passat. This will be the 2020 um, car that will come on the market in 1 year. The car will be presented in Geneva Auto Show this year in Mars, and it come with some amazing innovative changes, and I'm really impressed about it, and I'm really happy to present you. As you see already the interior, this is the AllTrack Passat, and the interior has already a new steering wheel. As you can see here, it has a nice design with some new buttons designed there on it. It's look pretty interesting. Also, the new digital cockpit is not like the old active info display. This is a new one, update with some new changes and new graphic. Also, um, the Volkswagen say the navigation system it's updated, and it has some new uh, live info traffic, because the car will have a SIM card in the car all the time. This will come inclusive with all the cars. Also, this will be the first Volkswagen capable to drive partial themselves. So this is the first car that will be almost like a Tesla, and it can drive itself. Probably would be something like level 1 in Tesla, and he can keep in lanes and brake and maybe steering. And I'm really curious about it, and we wait to see how this will affect the driving style. This will call travel assist, and it's the world premiere in the Passat. For the first time in the Volkswagen, it will be capable to drive at any speed from 0 to 210 kilometer. This is called the IQ.DRIVE system. And also the new Passat come with emergency steering assist. Until now was emergency steering brake, and now emergency steering assist, and which increase the safety when performing. Yeah, you know, it's the safety of the passenger. It's increased and really interesting. Also, the car come with a new interactive IQ.LIGHT LED matrix headlight that until now was only available on the Touareg. Here you can see the in the image you can see the multimedia system with great graphic, touchscreen, and great resolution. Actually, you can see all kind of information as before you see, and now the new digital cockpit from Volkswagen. In the new Passat will be a lot of new function and great customized style right here in front of you, that actually look really nice. Now the car, as you know, and come with the all new technology, um, that you can use the application from your phone. You can connect your phone, you can use the internet, you can also see all kind of information, like on the full, if you want to see on the full screen the map right there. It's really great. Here you have the radio. You also can connect your Bluetooth, you can go online. Here you have the map in 3D, and it's also see the traffic and all kind of information. It's pretty interesting, and it's work really good. It doesn't have a lag or something. It's the hardware behind this multimedia system. It's amazing. The Volkswagen have amazing cheap hardware inside, and the software and everything, it's work perfect. It's like a real computer, and it's work really fast, and you can customize the things there really great. Also, you can charge your phone inside the car. You have a special place there. You have USB connectivity, and yeah, all kind of information for the first time uh, in a Volkswagen, in this uh, in this Passat, in the new Passat. You can actually come inside the car with your mobile phone. You can use it as a key, so you can lock and unlock the car with your mobile. You can start the car only with your mobile phone. So this is a great thing. The interior have LED light on the side. As you can see, for the night time, it look fantastic. The seats are coming in a few options: leather or sport, GTE. More depend on the trim level that you choose. You know, the Passat AllTrack have amazing seats. You see that from my other videos, and these are my favorite seat. This white leather with these lines. They are so comfortable, and they look so nice inside, guys. It's pretty amazing. Really impressed. And this car have this LED light on the dashboard, this line that you can change the color and make the car look very nice and very luxurious. And I know the Volkswagen did a great job always with the cars, and the fact that you can customize this LED light in the night look fantastic. I'm pretty happy with what I see, and the quality of the materials in the car versus price. It's amazing. The interior of the new Volkswagen Passat, it's fantastic. Now let's go on the exterior. Here we have this Passat airline, and we will talk a little bit about the design. The design is not so much change. It's almost the same design as before, only the LED light and some lines in the back and the front are changed. You have the same big space in the trunk, and I think it's a little bit more more beautiful, this design. I like more the LED light, and the front grille. It's almost the same with the radar there, and a little bit of the fog light. They changed the design, but it's not so big difference. I like the follow signal light, and this LED on the back look fantastic. It's really the LED technology. It's one of my favorite that comes on the car in the past years. I really love this new LED technology, and this follow signal light. It's fantastic. I don't know you, but I like it, and I also like this daylight. As you can see, the daylight have a line up upper side, and has another two lines down close to the the night light like this. And you can see it's all full LED matrix that look amazing, really amazing. It's look very good. Please leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about LED light. What is your favorite car with the new LED light? What design is your favorite? And I'm really happy to come in a discussion with you. You can also see my old car with this LED matrix light, and you can see it in the night. It's look fantastic, and it's like a daytime. You can see perfect the light. It's amazing for the people that need light and good visibility in the night, that they drive only in the night. The light, it's perfect. So I really recommend this light. Also, in the back, it looks fantastic. It has a new interesting design on the back too. So actually, I'm really impressed, and I wait to see the car comes out this year in Geneva Auto Shows, and I want to see how this uh, drive itself, uh, the way they say, and I'm really curious to see if it really can drive as a Tesla. And also, I want to tell you that all the car will come with Euro 6D emission standard, also the diesel and petrol, and uh, all the car will come with a particle par, particle filter, even if it's a petrol or diesel. That's for you to know, that it's very important. So all the car will have a particle filter. And also, I want to say that the new Volkswagen Passat GTE will come with a new battery, and if until now you can drive only 50 kilometer, but in real life was only 40 or maybe 35, this time the car will come with 70 kilometer. So in real life you can drive around 55 kilometers. So will be a better upgrade to the battery, and a better upgrade to the range. So 55 kilometer, it's pretty good. I think it's great to have two engine and 290 horsepower. Yes, 280 horsepower will have the new Volkswagen Passat GTE. So I'm really curious, and I really want to see this car on the Geneva Auto Show. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see it in live. I will go there and film it for you, and I will give you my opinion after I see it. And I also drive this car when it will be available in my country, and I will do a test with the new autonomous drive on the Volkswagen. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I wait you to the next video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
take shit.